Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Morning guys, it is my first day in Kenya. This little munchkin slept with me all night. We could do a little room tour. It's kind of funny because this is the same bedding I have on my bed at home right now. There's a dresser here. This is my bathroom while I'm here. Hello. There's a walk-in shower, which is glorious. I had a shower in here last night and it was so nice. Got a closet here. You guys have to check out this view. Coffee plantations all in the background you guys see here. This is the backyard. It's gorgeous. It looks a little gloomy out there. It was raining last night and they still have the rainy season right now, so might rain today. We'll see. Hello. Hello. Good morning. I might have to voice over some of this because my parents are still sleeping. But of course I'm jet lagged and it's like 7 at night right now, so I'm wide awake. Look at these ceilings also, by the way. Gorgeous. So this is the living room area, as you guys can see. It's another gorgeous view. Storage, we don't need to look in there. And then down here, you can see downstairs. Parents' room is down there. And then we come down the stairs. And there's a little display here. My mom's got some beautiful souvenirs. And we've got another bathroom here. Some more beautiful souvenirs. Hello again. Another little sitting area. This is the bar that Mike actually got made in Colombia. It's gorgeous, handmade. And if you come out here, this is outside. Okay, so this is outside. This is the view. Little sitting area here and a barbecue. A fire pit. Come all the way around the corner. They've got like a garden over there. I don't have any shoes on, so I'm not gonna go over there right now, but this is a better view for you guys. And we've got some more beautiful paintings here. It's another view of the staircase. That's the front door. And the foyer. And then we've got another sitting room. These are my favorite thing in the whole entire house. These little elephants. Another beautiful artwork. This art is from all over the world. My parents have lived all over, so lots of beautiful artwork. This gorgeous view behind another sitting area, as you guys can see here. Hello, Oscar. And we'll come into the kitchen. So this is the dining area. Another beautiful view. We'll go all the way around. Got some more beautiful artwork from Egypt. This is the kitchen. It's got like a little bar table, which is super cute. And they've got like a really nice backdrop here. Backed by a gorgeous view, yet again. How many times am I gonna say gorgeous in this video though? And then, this is my first time seeing this too, guys. This is like a pantry area. And then I think this is the laundry room. So the housekeeper like irons and hangs up all the laundry here. She does all the laundry and folding. It is a guest bedroom with a bathroom, mostly used for storage, but when Oscar is here and my parents are on vacation, the housekeeper will stay here usually. sliding tour. You gonna come with me, Oscar? Ooh. Oh wow. I didn't even know there was anything back here. Follow these. I don't have any shoes on, so they told me to follow the patio stones. Look at this. Wow. Some carrots I can see, some tomatoes, some lettuce. Wow, this is awesome. This mall called Two Rivers to get some groceries for tonight and some other stuff. Bath & Body Works in Africa. Wow. Who would have guessed? Glasses and hat. What do we think, guys? I love these glasses. Not gonna lie, they're kind of cute. I'm kind of feeling them. Mom still has this photo of me in her wallet. Hi. Really? So embarrassing. Touched my salad, but I'm gonna get half of it packed up and eat it tomorrow. Okay, so we got all of our veggies. They come in, they put them in bags, and then they get stickers and weigh all of them. We have to wash everything. So my mom uses this veggie wash, and these are little tabs, right? Disinfectant tablets. Does this go in the water too? This veggie wash?
Too much. Like you gotta be gentle with the mushrooms. So I would
get all that poop off.
Yeah, well, I would use the soft side of the mushroom.
Okay.
Okay, and when you're done washing them, put them in here.
I'm getting a lesson on how to get the poop off the mushrooms.
You're not getting the poop off. You're getting nothing off. You have to like wash the shit off. There's shit.
You gotta chill the fuck out, man. You are wow.
Well, you must try to stay there if you get sick.
Welcome to my life. all of these veggies are washed, and this is our rinse bowl. So we're gonna rinse everything in here, and then it's gonna get put out to dry. My mom also found vegan margarine, so I'm super excited about that for Christmas and cooking. Definitely gonna use this for a lot of stuff. Everything ready for my bean burgers. I just got these 4 bean mix, some oats, that's a flax egg there. And I've just got a bunch of spices. I've got paprika, turmeric, black pepper, garlic, steak seasoning, mixed herbs, and some salt. We're basically just gonna throw these in here, mix everything, and then mash it. Should look something like that when you're done. I like to leave a few little chunks just because I like the texture and I don't want it completely blended. And you're gonna want to add your oats as well as your flax egg. This is about 2 tablespoons, and I added 4 tablespoons of water. And then we'll just mix that all up. I'm basically just gonna shape these into patties with my hands. Like that. Should make about 3 patties, 2 or 3, depending on how big you guys want to make them. What they should look like when you're done, and I'm just going to cover these and stick them in the fridge. I've got my burgers here cooking. Got some buns from the grocery store. And this is some lettuce, chives, and green onion from my mom's garden. And she's making pasta salad, which looks amazing. What does it say?
For real men only. It's just so fucking weird.
Blackjack.
Where is that from? Why did you just say that?
This is my dinner. This is my homemade patties that I made earlier. My mom's pasta salad. And yeah, I'm just gonna dig in. I'm so hungry.